So after coming from my Cappadocia and Kayseri trip, I spent some time in Izmir. I was trying to write a story for this trip, but I couldn't find any way to express this journey. Getting bored at home, I called Murat to go out together to get some fresh air. The weather was nice and we were discussing about possible stories for the trip. Then I found a sky lantern on the side of the street and I thought we would just light it up. So we did. And Murat goes, "Make a wish, dude." So I close my eyes and I wish I could find a story for my last trip. When I opened my eyes, we were back in where we started our last trip, Cappadocia. And this is how it went down there. We were in the middle of a wonderland, so we started doing what we do best and captured our moments. Having caught the balloons in the sky, it was time to explore the surrounding area. During our days in Cappadocia, we heard of a very spooky place, where hundreds of people died of cancer and they had abandoned the village. So we went to that village. This place was really eerie. The moment we arrived, I felt the heavy atmosphere that was dragging us in. So we went in. The next day, we hit the road to Kayseri. Our first stop was Sultan Reeds, which had some setbacks. It was raining and we were trying to get to the lake as close as possible. Then this happened. In here. We reached the local people and asked for help, for which we had to wait for them to find us in this vast land. We tried to go by ourselves, but his face says it all. After 2 hours, a hero without a cape arrived. and that's how we were saved. After the rescue, it was dark and rainy, so we had to go to the next day. Welcome to the world of freedom, Kayseri. Me and Murat were one of the lucky ones to experience this land of freedom.
Aldın mı lan? Şşş! Ali!
Kanka efsaneydi.
Ne efsaneydi lan?
Senaryoyu buldum oğlum.
Yok ya.
Vallahi buldum.